Ladies and gentlemen, picture, if you will, a hidden artifact. An artifact so potent, yet so frequently underestimated, that it can open gateways to dimensions of success that many deem as mere fantasy. Today I am about to unveil this artifact, but be forewarned, its essence is not what mainstream narratives might suggest. It's a truth that's often whispered in hushed tones, sometimes even ridiculed. Yet, against all odds, it remains the most genuine compass to success. In our modern era, we're inundated with tales of sudden stardom, of individuals who, seemingly out of nowhere, skyrocket to fame and fortune. We're conditioned to believe that success is about being at the right place at the right time, a serendipitous alignment of the stars, or perhaps just a stroke of luck. But what if I told you that beneath these glamorous tales lies a foundational truth, a rigorous path, one that many opt to sidestep? The clandestine artifact, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than discipline. Now I can sense the murmurs of disbelief. Discipline? In this age of innovation and rapid change, surely there are more modern, faster avenues to success. And here's where the controversy lies. Without discipline, any success we achieve is transient, superficial, and devoid of true substance. Let's dismantle some prevailing misconceptions. Myth number one is the lure of instant gratification. We're inhabitants of an instant era, instant communication, instant entertainment, instant recognition. But genuine success, that's a marathon, not a sprint. It demands endurance, tenacity, and an unwavering discipline. Myth number two is the facade of effortlessness. We're often presented with the highlights, the applause, the accolades, the opulence. What remains hidden are the relentless hours of toil, the sacrifices made, and the ironclad discipline that carved the path. Myth number three is the reliance on luck. While fortune can play a role, banking solely on it is akin to building one's empire on quicksand. Discipline, conversely, is the bedrock upon which sustainable success is constructed. Myth number four is the mirage of talent alone. Talent, though valuable without discipline, is like a rocket without fuel. It might look impressive, but won't get far. Discipline refines and elevates talent, propelling it to unparalleled heights. But why is discipline so pivotal? And why does it often stir debate? Discipline is demanding. It often entails bypassing immediate joys for future rewards. It's the voice that nudges you to work an extra hour, to push beyond comfort zones, to remain steadfast amidst adversity. In a society that frequently seeks and celebrates shortcuts, discipline stands tall as the challenging, less trodden path. It's the unwavering voice that declares true success demands time, effort, and unwavering commitment. Furthermore, discipline is not just about work. It permeates every aspect of life, from health and relationships to personal growth and well-being. It's the anchor that grounds us, ensuring that we don't drift aimlessly in the vast ocean of life's possibilities. In summation, if genuine, enduring success is what you seek, then discipline is non-negotiable. It's the controversial yet undeniable key, the foundation upon which empires are built and legacies are forged. While the world may chase fleeting moments of fame and transient victories, let us commit to the enduring, time-tested path. Let's champion discipline, not just as a tool, but as a way of life. Thank you.